YouTube is on easy mode. You mean to tell me that you still haven't started your YouTube channel yet? What the hell are you waiting on? It's a new year, new goals, new money. And YouTube is going to give you a new lifestyle that you didn't have before. So why in the hell are you sitting around not creating a YouTube channel? Stop making all these excuses. Okay? There are so many small creators popping up on YouTube right now, blowing up. And you could be the next one. So once again, why in the hell haven't you created that channel yet? I don't want to hear about, oh, I don't have no equipment. I don't have a thumbnail. I don't have a profile picture. I don't know how to make thumbnails. I don't know how to edit videos. Sounds like a bunch of bull crap to me. Okay? I don't curse, and that's a good thing I don't curse. But sound like a bunch. I'm gonna show you what a guy that couldn't talk. This what he used to call it. He used to do the bull horns, and then he'll point to his butt. So you figure that out. Bull, you know what? Okay, that's what he called it. That's what I'm calling it right now. Bull crap. Okay. I don't want to hear that. I don't have this or that. We don't want to hear that, man. YouTube is on easy mode. And the only way that you get your foot in the door is if you create that channel today. Well, Booster Fit, I don't have anything to talk about. Oh my goodness, really? As much as you gossip on the phone with your homeboy, your homegirl, and you mean to tell me you don't have nothing to talk about? You mean to tell me that all this stuff going on in the world and you don't have nothing to talk about? You mean to tell me you spent all that money on that fancy phone and you say you don't have a camera? Come on now. Y'all act like this stuff rocket science. It's not rocket science, man. You know what I'm saying? Because if you just start, everything will be all right. Okay? But if you keep sitting down looking around like, oh, who's going to come and save me? Can somebody come save me? I need a mentor. I need somebody to help me out with editing my videos. I need somebody to help me to make thumbnails. Man, the more you keep doing that, the longer you'll be behind. You know what I'm saying? Behind on the 8 ball, man. You know what I'm saying? The longer you will be behind, man. So stop making all them excuses, man, because once again, YouTube is on easy mode. Now, I'm not saying it's just super duper duper easy, but it's easy because now small content creators are making videos that they don't even edit. They don't even edit the videos, okay? They don't even edit the videos because that's the type of content that YouTube is pushing out. So you mean to tell me you're not going to make a video and you don't have to make no fancy edits, no B-roll, no jump cuts and all that old bull crap? You know what I'm saying? No overlays. We ain't got none of that going on. Okay? It's all about starting. And that's the hardest part for a lot of people, man. I'm telling you, I've been making money on YouTube for some years now. And when I tell you guys, it can be done. Okay? I have 2 other channels that are monetized on YouTube. So I've been making money on those channels for years. And I'm trying to get this channel monetized. And guess what? It's a small channel, but I'm seeing growth every single day. That's how I know YouTube is easy right now. Because the same thing that I'm talking about in this video, everybody else is talking about it. So you mean to tell me you can't jump in on it too? Why not? You know what I'm saying? I got a homeboy, that's all he used to say. Why not? And that's what I'm telling you guys. Why not? Okay? The views will come. The subscribers will come. All you have to do is just put the videos out. That's all you got to do. Me, I've been posting on this channel every day to start the year, a little bit before the start of the new year and up until now. Okay? And it's been going okay for me. Doggone Red Bull truck, I thought they were about to run into me, man. It was going to be a big lawsuit. What? You know what I'm saying? Red Bull coming in hot. I don't drink Red Bull, but god dog, buddy. He whipping that thing like it's an old school Cadillac or something, man. You know how you used to do the Cadillac turn? Buddy just came through, did a Cadillac turn in the Red Bull truck. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, YouTube is on easy mode, and if you don't start today, then that's another day wasted. Okay? We're not that far until the new year. And if you get on YouTube right now, you will see all these people talking about how you can make money on YouTube and how YouTube is easy. Well, they wasn't lying, okay? It's a lot of small creators that I've been paying attention to. They channels getting bigger and bigger each day. You know what I'm saying? So, why not get in on that fun too? All you're doing is talking about what's going on in your life. All you're doing is talking about your day-to-day activities. All you're doing is documenting. And don't tell me you out there and you need to lose weight and you just started losing weight and you ain't recording nothing. I know you lying. Everybody that go to the gym record. So I don't want to hear this. I don't record when I go to the gym. You a bald head lie. Straight like that. Bald head lie. Bald face lie. You a lie. Because everybody record. Especially the ones that are trying to improve their body. Especially the ones that are trying to well, that's improving your body, lose weight. If you're trying to build muscle, if you're trying to, just do anything with fitness, you know what I'm saying? Like, you record everything, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, all y'all can talk, you know what I'm saying? You just be talking on the phone. You don't be on the camera talking. So, yes, that may be the only challenge for some of y'all, but it won't be too hard. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you go back and look at my first video is trash. Who want to remember their first video anyway? My first video is garbage truck juice. Okay? But guess what? That didn't stop me. That didn't stop me from recording. That didn't stop me from turning that camera on every day. You know what I'm saying? Because I know my first video is going to be trash. My first video on YouTube is trash. My first video on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all that stuff. But now, I'm good. Y'all see, I can talk all day. I got diarrhea at the mouth. My mouth keep running and running and running and running and running. We can go all day, man. We can talk about whatever y'all want to talk about. But right now, we talking about how easy YouTube is. And if you keep waiting, you don't just keep missing out. Don't you know that YouTube has millionaires? It's some millionaire YouTubers out there. And it's some people out there that have small channels that are starting to get traction. And guess what? They stayed consistent. They stayed down. Now, I fell off on YouTube on this channel, until the end of last year, because I just wasn't seeing no growth. So I was like, man, it's kind of hard to get into. It's kind of hard to put these videos out every day, and I'm not getting views. I'm not getting subscribers. Like, that was the hard part for me. You know what I'm saying? But now I'm getting some views. I'm getting a few subscribers, man, and the watch time is going up. And before you know it, I promise I will have this channel monetized by the end of the month. Well, I ain't gonna say promise. Let's see. We working. You know what I'm saying? I'm almost at 1,000 hours right now, and you got to get to 4,000 hours. So I got 3,000 hours to go, and we will get there. But I just stopped by to let you know YouTube is on easy mode. Get off the couch, get up, do you, turn the camera on, turn the phone on, record, talk. Get used to it. Practice at home. If you got to sit at home and record yourself and talk to yourself, do it. But YouTube is on easy mode. Once again, for all 2025, man, small content creators are taking over. Charge!